Welcome back to Inequalities. This is video number 2. We left off in video 1 with sharing an example of n being greater than 9. Now let's look at when we use a closed dot on our number line. Our example would be n is less than or equal to 10. We use a closed dot means the number is included in the graph. Symbols with lines under them. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. When you have those lines under the symbol, that means you use the closed dot on your number line. So if we were going to graph n is less than or equal to 10, we would first draw our number line. And again, I'm not going to include every number on my number line. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The inequality is n is less than or equal to 10. Because of the equal to symbol, we're going to draw the closed dot at 10. And the other acceptable answers would be less than 10. We need to make a chart of keywords to look for. Keywords to look for when we read real-world scenarios. Go ahead and make a table that has 4 different columns. Make it about 6 or 7 lines tall. The heading for the first column needs to be less than. The heading for the second column, greater than. Third column, less than or equal to. And the fourth, greater than or equal to. Now on the next line below the symbols, we're going to write how we say the symbols. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than, or equal to. Sorry, I ran out of room there. Some keywords when you're reading your real-world scenarios that would help you identify that you were looking at a solution that needed to be less than the given value include fewer than, under. Some examples of words to watch for that match greater than, more than, over. Other words that could mean less than or equal to include is at most, that's an O, is at most, maximum, no more than, other words that could signal greater than or equal to is at least, minimum, no less than. I had you leave a few extra lines in case we have other words we discover through our work that we need to add to the chart. We're going to continue practicing graphing some more inequalities. Any number, well, let me back up for just a minute. Let's look at n is greater than 9. So what this inequality means is any number greater than 9 is a possible solution. So any number greater than 9 could mean 9.001 would be a possible solution. Every number larger than 9 is a possibility. So let's go ahead and draw a number line. And because it said any number greater than 9, could I graph 3 and include 3? No, because 3 is not larger than 9. Again, I don't have to include every number on my number line. This does not have the equal to symbol with it, so it does not include 9. So we're going to use the open circle at the 9 because 9 is not included in the possible solutions. Could 10 be a possible solution? 10 is greater than 9, so it could be. Is 12 a possible solution? It is greater than 9, so that could be the solution to the inequality as well. We don't have time to draw all the numbers. The arrows tell us that the solutions go to infinity and beyond. Thank you, Buzz. And our last example that we're going to do together in our notes includes you getting out your dry erase board. I would like you to try on your own to represent the inequality on a number line for A is less than 15. Go ahead and hit pause on your video, draw this on your number line, then come back to check your work. A is less than 15. On my number line, I'll put 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. A has to be less than 15. So that means 15 is not included as a possible solution for this inequality. So we have to use the open circle. Could 17 be a solution? Is 17 less than 15? No. Is 13 a possible solution? Is 13 less than 15? Yes, it is. So our arrow would be going to the left to represent any number less than 15. Another example I would like you to try on your own is B is greater than or equal to 7. Please hit pause on your video and draw this number line on your dry erase board. I hope you drew a number line that included the number 7 and a few numbers larger and a few numbers less than 7. So when I go back and look at my inequality, greater than or equal to, that tells me that 7 is a possible solution. 7 can be one of the many solutions. Could 5 be a solution? Is 5 greater than or equal to 7? No, 5 is less than. So we need to go in the other direction on our number line. Could 9 be a possible solution? Is 9 greater than 7? Yes, it is. So our line would continue to the right on our number line. I hope you remembered to close your dot to represent 7 being one of many solutions for this inequality.